After a power outage, it's common for a Navien tankless water heater to not restart automatically or to show error codes. Power interruptions can confuse the unit's control board or reset certain settings, which may leave you without hot water until the system is properly restarted. Start with a simple reset by turning the unit's power off, waiting about 30 seconds, and turning it back on. If that doesn't work, perform a hard reset by unplugging the unit from the power outlet, waiting 30 seconds, and plugging it back in. This clears minor software glitches caused by the outage. If the heater still doesn't produce hot water, check the control panel for error codes and confirm that your temperature settings haven't changed. A common code is E3, which indicates an ignition failure. This is often caused by a closed gas valve, so make sure the gas supply is fully open. Another frequent code is E4, which points to false flame detection, usually related to grounding or electrical connection issues. Ensure the power cord is properly grounded and all connections are secure. If error codes continue after these steps, stop troubleshooting and contact Navien customer support or a licensed technician, as further operation could be unsafe.